Oh, and making breakfast. So, did you make some for me?
You can't be serious. I'm not making any breakfast for you. Where's you got all those bitches up in here?
Oh, I see how it is. Jealous.
Me jealous? Trust me, I had a taste of you, and it wasn't that pleasant. You could last a little longer, though.
It's because you got me so excited, Octavia. I mean, look at you.
Excuse me? You're supposed to call me at Uber so I can go home?
I never said that. I asked you if you had Uber on your phone. Yo, get the fuck out.
Dick game is whack anyways.
Yeah, you always say that shit with my balls is in your mouth, though.
Wow, you sure have a way with women, Anthony.
Yo, screw her. So, what are you doing today? You want to work? I was thinking maybe me and you could go out.